Hey guys, Blinkit is giving free gift for all. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling. Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos. Recently, we have purchased some grocery on Blinkit and we have got a free gift. Okay, let me tell you what is Blinkit app. It's an online grocery delivery app. Plus, you have many household essentials and electronics added to it. You can shop if you want. Most important is you have got a print store. In the later part, I'll expound on this. Do check out. Now coming to free delivery, you've got free delivery for orders above 99 rupees, and if you want a free gift, you got to place an order of 199 rupees and above, and your order will be delivered in 15 minutes of time. Now it's time, we'll check out the free gift. Yes, this is a free gift we have got from Blinkit. This is free sugar, no calories cola can. You all know this is a soft drink. If you want to enjoy this free gift, you can, and you have two other free gifts options available. You can choose them in the cart while placing the order. I'll show you in few moments of time. Now it's time that I'll show you how to place an order on Blinkit to avail the free gift. As you see in the picture, you got to get the app of Blinkit from Google Play Store. After installing the app, click on open. You can log in with your phone number, or else you can log in with Zomato. If you have got Zomato account, you can click on login with Zomato. Otherwise, you can go for login with phone number. And when you click on login with phone number, you got to give your phone number and login. You can give your address here. If you log in with Zomato account, it's not necessary. Now this is the home screen that appears. You have got free delivery for orders above 99 rupees. As you see in the picture, you have got full-on grocery, electronics and household essentials. If you want, you can shop, and most particularly if you scroll down, you have this print store. This is something highlighting point of this Blinkit app. Okay, this print store is all about having printouts delivered home. If you have got any files or study material or documents, you can upload the files by clicking on upload files. Once you click on that, you have to upload the documents or files from your phone, and the cost also is given for black and white printout, and if you want color printout, the cost is given as 3 rupees to 10 rupees. You can check out here. Okay, coming back to the grocery store, you can give in the search bar the items you need as shown in the picture, and use sort and filter if you want. Now click on add button, the products you want. After adding the products to the cart, say done and click on next. Once you click on next, you see here a free gift. You can click on add. You got 3 options here. You can choose your free gift if you want diet coke or zero sugar or coke. Any kind of soft drink is available. You can choose the item of free gift and click on proceed. That's it, done. Your free gift will be added to your order. As you see in the picture, it will be shown as free gift. And now click on select payment option. You have got different types of online payments available, but there's no cash on delivery option available. You can choose any of this payment modes that are appearing on the screen and check out. Okay, after placing your order, you can check out the order details. You will have a free gift added to your items that you have ordered. As you see in the picture, that's it all for today from Blinkit app. If you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling. Have a good day.